Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your electronic parking brake with auto hold on the all-new 2021 Kia K5. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in glacial white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the electronic parking brake and auto hold buttons are located in the center console here in this cluster of buttons. So with my foot on the brake pedal, I'm going to go ahead and lift the parking brake button up. And it's going to show you here in this left gauge in red that your parking brake is now engaged. To turn it off, my foot on the brake pedal still, I'm going to go ahead and press it down and it will disengage. If I go to engage it, turn it back on, and I'm going to put the vehicle in the drive gear, it will turn it off for you so you don't accidentally drive around with it on. I'll put it back in park. The auto hold button is located right to the left of it. So if I go ahead and press auto hold, you'll see it comes up in the bottom right of the screen right there. So if I have the vehicle in drive, you'll notice how it goes green. It is now using the electronic parking brake to hold the brake pedal for me so I can take my foot off of it while we're in drive. If I wanted to get going, all I need to do is just touch the gas pedal and I'll start moving again. I'm going to bring it to a complete stop. And you'll see it goes green. And again, now it's using the electronic parking brake to hold the brake pedal for me so I don't have to. To disengage that, I'm just going to go ahead and press the auto hold button, of course, with my foot on the brake pedal. And now that's completely disengaged. And that's how you do it. As always, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.